get asked this question in lots of different ways as well. And so I thought I'd take an opportunity here to create a video and show you what company page, LinkedIn company page administrators can see. So if you go view a LinkedIn company page, can they figure out who you are? Let's take a look at this. So here's I'm logged into LinkedIn as myself. Here's one of my company pages right here. This is Burriss Consulting. And you can see that I am an administrator because I have access to the administration view. I can go view it as a member as well and see it without all of these other tools. But look here under analytics and activity. If I click on analytics, on the analytics page for my company page, you can see that I can look at content analytics, visitor, followers, leads, and competitors. And you're asking me about visitor because you are a visitor. You can see when I click on visitors in the past month, I've got 141 viewers to my company page. Actually, it's up by 80%. This is not a big part of my business, but this is interesting. Unique visitors are 56. That tells me that, that they came back a few times because I had 141 views total. Now, I can come down here under visitor metrics and I can see that these visitors, on what days was the activity. I can see who used desktop and who used mobile app, which, by the way, you can see desktop is predominantly the primary method for people to view my LinkedIn company page. I can come down here to visitor demographics. I can see job function, company size, industry, location, and seniority, but I cannot see name. Furthermore, I also cannot see company, which would be a big trigger for smaller companies or entrepreneurs, because if I could see it was your company, I could probably figure out it's you. But job function, company size, industry, location, and seniority. These are too broad for a company page administrator to figure out that you are one of the viewers of my company page. Now, the only other two other things that could let a LinkedIn company page admin know that you showed up. Number one, are you a follower? Did you recently follow, where is it down here, my company page? Are you recently one of my new followers? Then there's one other metric, and that other metric is activity. And activity would include, did you comment? Did you mention? Did you react to my content? Did you repost my content? If you did not do any of that activity, I'm not going to see you. I'm not going to know that you stopped by and visited my LinkedIn company page. Bottom line, there is no way for a company page administrator to know that you viewed their company page unless you engaged on their content and or followed the page. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope this is helpful for you.